Current hex cost generally is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Hex cost examination generally is negative today, which basically is very critical. First help level for hex, all things considered, is at 3 cents in a sort of large manner. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through hex cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these oftentimes generally got clarification on something. What in every way that really matters is genuinely transient cost expectation for hex, in a real sense is hex and in every way that really matters, wise interest in a very enormous way. Hex help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how hex help and opposition levels and so on, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the hex specialized investigation, generally let us by and large discussion about the especially current economic situations, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1.154,329,028,372, which generally is genuinely critical. The extremely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $44,480,359,250, so first help level for hex really is at 3 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%. Which basically shows that the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for the following week and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly sort of sought clarification on something. What all things considered is most certainly transient cost expectation for hex. Really is hex a very wise interest in an especially significant manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the hex specialized examination, explicitly let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations, which generally is genuinely huge, various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value lessening of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 3.99 and right now exchanging at 45 cents. Genuinely further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense shows that the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through hex cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified something. What truly is by and large momentary cost expectation for hex. Sort of is hex a truly wise speculation, or so they by and large thought. These occasions in a real sense show that the market certainly is going in a really descending course for essentially present moment, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a general certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which sort of is genuinely huge. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become genuinely additional dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So these occasions basically demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a by and large descending heading for pretty momentary in a for the most part significant manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers most certainly move essentially dynamic and sort of stop the coin's cost fro hex execution. The day-to-day diagram of hex especially shows that the hex cost especially has a kind of descending development with a 1.19% reduction in exceptionally beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at 3 cents with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 USD in a very significant manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume most certainly is floating around $3,738,949 USD. Extremely further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a day-to-day time period especially made sense of beneath, which in a real sense is very huge. We utilize really relative strength index, moving truly normal union into similarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving kind of normal and dramatic moving normal to generally examine the future development of the hex, which basically is very critical. Hex financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day graph, exhibiting that similarly, obstruction is a level at which merchants especially become move kind of dynamic and explicitly stop the coin. As cost fro hex execution the in every practical sense. Day-to-day outline of hex basically shows that the hex cost truly has a kind of descending development with a 1.19% reduction and exceptionally beyond 24 hours in a very huge manner. Hex has in a real sense the closest obstruction of 3 cents. Showing how we utilize sort of relative strength index, moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving sort of normal and dramatic moving truly normal to examine the future development of the hex in a very significant manner for the most part. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at 3 cents. Showing how support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin as cost from falling any further. So these occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending heading for in every way that really matters, present moment, or so they truly thought. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers truly betray the hex, the especially bears could handle the market and truly take hex cost beneath the urgent help level of 3 cents. So hex cost examination in every way that really matters is negative today, or so they basically thought. While hex's Williams % R pointer especially is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange fundamentally signal especially is conceivable at this reach. So on the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers for the most part betray the hex, the sort of bears could handle the market and truly take hex cost beneath the significant help level of 3 cents. So hex cost investigation in a real sense is negative today, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly relative strength record demonstrates that the hex coin generally is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI generally is at 54, so the MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid. So these occasions truly show that the market generally is going in a kind of descending course for truly present moment, or so they for the most part thought.